Sabate for 3. Good for 3, Sabate. Score 3 against 2. Papor sa team Husay. Tapo. 20 seconds to shoot. Tapo sa malaksak. Pass to Nino for 2. Wala. Rebound by Lester. Dito ka pa yan, Lester. Dito na bola, Lester. 20 seconds to shoot. Pass to Volta. Pass to Sabate for 2. Wala. Rebound by nakuha ni Odo. Pass to Cook. Dito sa shot lock to Jingbe. Traveling violation. Bola sa team Husay. Remaining time 4 minutes and 8 seconds for our first free. Lester to win the ball. 20 seconds to shoot. Lester sumaksak. Pass to Takyo. Pass to Sabate. School ni Oro. Nakalungan. Nabawasan. Nung nakalabot ni Toko. Toko nagmamadali ni Toko. Toko sumaksak. Wala. Rebound by Lester. Lester rin nagkapasalan. Lester to win the ball. Pass to Sabate ready. 15 seconds to shoot. Foul. 1 seconds. Lester, 14 seconds to shoot. Pass to Ricky again. For 2. Good for 2. Ricky. Score 5 against 2. In favor of team Husay. Toko to win the ball. 20 seconds to shoot. Toko pass to Jingbe for 3. Wala. Rebound by Monta. Dito kapasan. Pass to Ricky. Pass to Monta again. Pass to Giselle. Pass to Takyo for 2. Wala. Rebound by Toko. Pass to Intoy. Pass to Junior for 2. Wala. Rebound by Ricky. Dito kapasan sa Bate. Pass to Lester. Lester bringing the ball. 20 seconds to shoot. Lester. Pass to Giselle. 15 seconds to shoot. Giselle. Goes to 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Takyo for 2. Wala. Rebound by foul sa Bate. First personal foul. First team foul. Remaining time 2 minutes and 49 seconds for our first period. Score 5 against 2 in favor of team Husay. During the ball, 20 seconds to shoot. Pass to Nando. Wala. Rebound by Sabate. Blocking foul, Nando. First personal foul, second team foul. Lester. 20 seconds to shoot. Pass to Sabate. Traveling violation. Substitution. Gonzalez out. Jingbe. Dribbling the ball. 20 seconds to shoot. Focus on upstart. Traveling violation. Remaining time 2 minutes and 27 seconds for our first free. Score 5 against 2 in favor of team Husay. Lester dribbling the ball. Dito kapasan 20 seconds to shoot. Lester. Pass to Mota. Good for 2. Score 7 against 2. Hintay na gawin pass to yung mga kapasan. Nakuha ni Lester. Lester. 20 seconds to shoot. Lester na kapasahan. Pass to Takyo. Takyo sumaksak for 2. Good for 2. Takyo. Score 9 against 2 in favor of team Husay. Remaining time 2 minutes and 5 seconds for our first goal. 20 seconds to shoot. Nanyo pass to Toko. Sumaksak for 2. Good for 2. Toko. Lester. 20 seconds to shoot. May nakapasahan. Pass to Giselle. 15 seconds to shoot. Lester. Sulasap Lester. For 2. Wala. Rebound by Giselle. Pass to Mota. For 2. Block by Lea. Nakal Giselle. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala Gabel. Reset to 14 sa Gabel. Goal for 2 sa Gabel. Score 11 against 4. Tuko. Wala. Rebound by Mota. Pass to Takyo. Pass to Lester. Arbounds. Wala sa team Taparok. Remaining time 1 minute and 17 seconds. Score 11 against 4 in favor of Team Husay-Husay. Gonzales. Dribbling the ball, 20 seconds shot na. Pass to Tuko. Pass to Gonzales. Gonzales for 3. Wala. Recovered by Gonzales. Foul. Takyo. First. First personal foul. 13 foul. Remaining time 1 minute and 4 seconds. Lester, pass to Sabate for goal. Bang, bang, bang! Sabate. Tuko. Hindi sa shot na. Pass to goal. Wala. Rebound by Mulan. 15 seconds. Pass to Giselle. Giselle. 20 seconds shot na. 45 seconds. Score by Gonzales. Was foul. Kick ball violation, kick ball. Remaining time 42 seconds. For our first period, score 14 against 4. Papor sa team Husay-Husay. Lester, nagpapasahan. 39 seconds remaining. 10 seconds to shoot. Giselle for 2. Ball for 2, Giselle. Remaining time 33 seconds. Score 16 against 4. Pabor sa team Husay-Husay. 13 seconds. Advance bola sa team Husay-Husay. Timeout choice. Pass to Mota for 2. Wala. Rebound by Tuko. Husband. Wala tayo shot na. 15 seconds. With Tuko. Lando. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Basket count. Wala. Husband. Ono. 4 seconds, 4 seconds. First personal foul. 3, 2, time! Here is the first quarter.
Di bangko. Kapag isiting daw, bisilo na naman ka. Ayan o.
Mejorada. 20 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Mejorada. 10 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds to shoot. Still better. Tuko. Pass to Uro. Pass to Tuko. Foul. Takyo. First personal foul. 13 foul.
Mila, say, nakurog mayo. Iya ka nagpipilit ng board. Iya nagpipilit ng board.
Still high. Nakuha ni Villano. Villano pass to Lester. Lester for 2. For 2, Lester. Score 20 against 6. Pabor sa team Husay-Husay. Remaining time 4 minutes and 20 seconds for the second quarter. Odo. 20 second shot clock. Pass to Tuko. Junior. Airball. Rebound by ito. 14 seconds to shoot. Dito natin nabasahan. Pass to Oro. Naghuli ng bola. Still by Mata. Advance.
Bila rami ito dapat eh. Teka, agad niya.
Juliano. Punto. Wala. Rebound by Takyo. By Porto. Takyo. Score by Riverside. Still by nakuha ni Lester. Remaining time 3 minutes and 49 seconds. Lester. 15 seconds to shoot. Takyo. Pass to Sabado. Goal for goal. Sabado. Score 24 against 6. Tuko. Nasak Tuko. Foul. Sabado. Third personal foul. 14 foul. Third personal foul. Substitution. Wala ang push Petro. Continental second Petro. Score 24 against 7. Lester. Pass to Guiliano. 20 seconds to shoot. Still Guiliano. Williams for our second quarter. Olo. Masak pass to Jingoy. Good for goal, Jingoy. Score 24-9. Pabor gihapon sa team Musay. Estrada. Lester. Estrada. Good ball. Pass to Guiliano. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Giselle. And goal. Rebound by Tuko. Tuko na naman ulit. Pass to Nano. Nahuli na bola. Ang bounce. Bola sa team Musay. Remaining time 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Wanda. Pass to Giselle. Wala. Rebound by Tuko. Tuko nagbabala si Tuko. Tuko. Foul. Lester. Estrada first personal foul. 15 foul. Remaining time 2 minutes and 53 seconds. Wala ang first free throw. Second free throw. Counted. Score 24 against 10.
Walang hingit na pag-ipon.
Taklo. May kapasahan. Taklo drinking the world. 20 seconds to shoot. Taklo. May kapasahan. Pass to still by Tupo. Nagawa niya ulo sa ito. Airball. Rebound by Jingboy. Ito Jingboy. Wala niya po. Rebound by Kabuhan Bungo. Guiliano. Pass to Giselle for 2. Wala. Rebound by Mota. For 2. Go for 2. Mota. Score 26 against 10. Pabor sa team Musay. Remaining time 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Junior. 20 seconds to shoot. Jingo for 3. Bang, bang, bang. Jingo. Time out. Charge. Lester. Giving the goal. Pagkapasahan. 20 seconds to shoot. Lester. Giving the goal. 15 seconds to shoot. Pass to Giselle. 10 seconds to shoot. Wala. Rebound by Alo.
Yawal.
Intay. Intay nagbabalay. Intay sumasak. Still by Guiliano. Guiliano. Movement by Tupo. Tupo. Nagbabalik Tupo. Pass to Itoy. Forwards. Sa tip. Remaining time 1 minute and 38 seconds. Tupo for 3. Airball. Rebound by Lester. Remaining time 1 minute and 30 seconds for the second quarter. Lester. Pass to Giselle for 2. Wala. Rebound by Monta. Goal for 2. Monta. Score 28-13. Pabor sa team Wasay-Wasay. 20 seconds to shoot. Pass to Gonzalez for 3. Bang. Gonzalez. Score 28-16. Pabor sa team Wasay-Wasay. Lester. 40 seconds to shoot. Lester. Sulaksak. Pass to Giselle for 2. Goal for 2. Giselle. Remaining time 58 seconds. 58 seconds. Tuko, dribbling the ball. Tuko. 20 seconds to shoot. Pass to Junior, back to Tuko. 50 seconds. Back to Ale. Pass to Steven Lester. Nabuhat to Giselle. Last 40 seconds. Giselle. Score 32-16.
Excel!
Remaining time 39 seconds.
Ako ni, ano ni?
35 seconds. Jun, 3. Wala. Rebound by Jun. Mona, beginning to roll. 25 seconds. Alvance. Substitution red. Substitution in Oro. Out, Alok. Remaining time, last 22 seconds. Wala tayo shot lang. 22 seconds. Last 22 seconds. Mona. 20 seconds. Wala tayo shot lang. Mona, sumaksak for 2. Wala. Rebound by Takyo. Wala gapon. Rebound by Odo. On bounce. Simbol. Remaining time, 12 seconds. 12. Giselle, goal for 2. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, time. End of the second quarter. The score. Enjoy, pass to Jingo. Pass to Tuko. 20 seconds to shoot, Tuko. To Jingo, goal for 2, Jingo. Almonte, Almonte dribbling the ball. Still by Tuko. Goal ball dribble. Bola sa team Wasay-Wasay. Sabana. Dribbling the ball, Tukwate. 20 seconds to shoot. Position. 8-second violation. Bola sa team Tapurok.
Tak, asli.
Improve. Pass to Tuko. 20 seconds to shoot. Tuko. Pass to Oro for 2. Tuko Oro. Easy go. Pass. Easy go. Basket down. Giselle. Second personal foul. First team foul. Score 36-18. Pabor sa team Wasay-Wasay. Remaining time 4 minutes and 23 seconds for the third quarter. Bonus throw. Wala. Rebound by Odo. Odo pass to Junior to Jingoy. Jingoy. Still by Arwans. Same ball. Montalvo, 14 seconds to shoot. Black, nakuha ng Toy. Pass to Oliver, 10 seconds to shoot. Odo, foul. Push foul. Sabate. One for foul out. Substitution break. Sabate, one for foul out. First team foul. First free throw content.
Ako niya, iya pa rin namin ito niya. Pagkanap ng tao. First quarter na nga, unya, warning na.
Second free throw. Wala, rebound by Takyo.
Isang man doon mga ball good.
To Lester. Lester. 20 seconds to shoot. Dribbling the ball with Paan. 15 seconds to shoot. Around, save bro. Remaining time 3 minutes and 52 seconds. Isa, 40 seconds to shoot. Wala, rebound by Junior. Junior na nagkapasahan, pass to Jinggoy. 20 seconds to shoot, Jinggoy. Nagbabalik Jinggoy, pass to Intoy. Intoy, hindi nagkapasahan. 15 seconds to shoot, pass to Jinggoy. Wala, rebound by Takyo. Remaining time 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Takyo na nagkapasahan, 20 seconds to shoot, Lester. Pass to Gugliano. 15 seconds to shoot, is still by Gugliano. Tuho. 20 seconds to shoot. Pass to Junior. 15 seconds to shoot, Junior for 3. Wala, rebound by Junior, goal for 2, Junior. Score 36-21. Timeout, charge. Lester, pass to Takyo. Takyo. 20 seconds to shoot. Pass to Gugliano. Gugliano for 3. Wala, rebound by Jinggoy. Jinggoy pass to issue by Lester. Foul. Junior. Junior, second personal foul, second team foul. Remaining time 2 minutes and 53 seconds for our third quarter. Takyo, may nabali, 20 seconds to shoot. Takyo, pass to Giselle, 15 seconds to shoot. Giselle, 10 seconds to shoot. Lester, for 3. Wala, rebound by Takyo. Wala gapon, rebound by Koga. 6 seconds to shoot, Giselle. Wala, rebound by Santa kasi 14. Nakuha ng Tuko. Nakuha ng Jinggoy. Jinggoy. Dito ka pasahan, 20 seconds to shoot. Pass to 15 seconds to shoot. Foul. Monta.
Foul, Teto. Foul, Teto doon eh.
First personal foul. Second team foul. Remaining time 2 minutes and 18 seconds for third quarter. Score 36-21. Pabor sa team Masay-Masay. 14 seconds to shoot. Daniel. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Gonzalez. 8 seconds to shoot. Gonzalez. Blocked by Guerrero. Still right. Nakuha ni Basket ng Giselle. Takyo, pass to Monta. Monta for 2. Foul. Blocking foul. Intoy. Remaining time 1 minute and 56 seconds. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Boy.
Takyo. Move for 2. Jinggoy, score 36-23. Monta. 20 seconds to shoot. Takyo. Sulasak Takyo. Screamer. Hindi madawa. Traveling by Rush. Takyo. Dribbling the ball. 20 seconds to shoot. Tuko na kita kepasangan pas to Jinggoy, Jinggoy pas to Jinggoy. 15 seconds to shoot, pas to Intoy, pas to Gonzales for 2. Go for 2, Gonzales. Lester. Lester na kita kepasangan Lester.
Foul na ka rin.
Malaking foul. Junior.
Nyayamar.
Victor Bebe. Remaining time 1 minute and 19 seconds. Bissell for 2. Wala, rebound by Toko. Toko nagbahal na Toko. Toko sumalaksa for 2. Go for 2. Toko score 36-27 in favor of team Wasay-Wasay. Remaining time 1 minute and 10 seconds. Advance, bola sa team Tapurok.
Oh yeah, sana.
1 minute and 7 seconds remaining. Sa third quarter. Tuko nakita kapasahan. Pass to Gonzales, Gonzales, still by Lester. Lester pass to, na-still ni Juan Busel. Pass to Lester again. Pulto. Go Pulto, Lester. Remaining time 59 seconds. Gonzales. To Jinggoy, Jinggoy. To Gonzales. Gonzales. Double. Bola sa team Wasay-Wasay. Bola sa team Wasay-Wasay. Reverse arrow. Remaining time 48 seconds sa atong third quarter.
Mama.
Score 38-27 pabor sa team Wasay-Wasay. Bissell. Bissell. Sumasak. Foul. Odo. Odo. Second personal foul. 15 foul. Remaining time 43 seconds. Manda, 20 still by Tuko. Tuko is in love. Move for 2. Tuko. Remaining time 39 seconds.
Pasahan.
Lester. Pass to Mota. 35 seconds. Pass to back to Mota again. Tuko. Wala. Rebound by Jinggoy. Pass to Gonzales. Pass to Jinggoy again for 2. Go for 2. 45 seconds. Guyano. Remaining time. Last 22 seconds. Wala tayo shot clock. Wala tayo shot clock. 15 seconds.
Wala ka.
Wala shot. Offensive foul. Guyano. Iwan. Pabor sa team Wasay-Wasay. 12 seconds.
Abate, abate.
10, 9, 8, 10 seconds. 8 seconds. 7. Listen. Pwede na Petro. Wala. Remaining time 7 seconds remaining sa atong third quarter. Prepare next game team. Pada versus team Suwaki for our third game. 7 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 2 seconds, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Time! We're on the third quarter. Atin Tapurok for last and final quarter. Para tayo ni Raymond J. Tuko. Pass to Gonzales for 3. Wala. Rebound by Takbo. Pass to Giselle. Giselle. Nagbabaray to shot from the second to shoot. Still by Tuko. Jinggoy, pass to Tuko. 20 seconds to shoot. Pass to Jinggoy again. Jinggoy for 3. Wala. Rebound by Lester. Steven Alives. Boy Haboy. Wala dapat sa team Tapurok. Jinggoy. 14 seconds to shoot. pass to Odo. Odo, 10 seconds to shoot. Wala, rebound by Lester. Lester. Score 38-34. Lester dribble the ball. Sumasalaksak Lester. Naboy na bola Lester ni Junior. Junior. Nakuha ni Junior. Pasto. Tuko. Tuko nagbabalik si Tuko. Sumalaksak for that. Lipasa ka Junior. Junior. Score 38-36. Tuha na lang labaw. Sa team mo sa Rosal. Score na ganda Junior. Junior. Porto. Wala. Rebound by Lester. Remaining time 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Lester is still by Edo. Edo pass to Junior. Junior is in there. Beautiful goal, Junior. Tama. Takyo. Dribble the ball. Takyo. 20 seconds to shoot. Takyo. Nagbabalik si Takyo. Takyo. Wala. Rebound by Toko. Toko. Nagmamalik si Toko. Toko. Flora. Toko. Laban ang Takyo. 40-38. Foul, Junior. Sabate na rin tagapasahan. Sabate. Pass to Lester. Lester. Sumalaksak Lester. Dipasa kay Dusel. Dipasa kay nakuha ng Dusel. Wala yapon. Robert Belmonta. Wala yapon. Out of bounds. Double. Bola sa team Tapurok. Reverse. Arrow. Remaining time 3 minutes and 34 seconds.
Bantay pa skill.
Jingle. Dribble the ball. 20 seconds to shoot. Hindi na nagkapasahan. Jingle. Pass to Nanyo. Nanyo. Pass to Tuko. 15 seconds to shoot. Score by Sabate. Score it. 3 minutes and 32 seconds. Dusel pass to Takyo. 20 seconds to shoot. Takyo. Sumalaksak Takyo. Punto. Wala. Rebound na Takyo. Tuko na nagkapasahan. Pass to Odo. Odo. 20 seconds to shoot. Odo. Nabuha ng bola. Pass to Rosales for 3. Wala. Rebound by Junior. Nabuha ng Dusel. Dusel nagkamali ng Dusel. Dusel sumalaksak. Dusel. Wala. Steve Nalan. Bola sa team Tapurok. Remaining time 8. Pabor na sa team Tapurok. Junior. Pass to Tuko. Tuko. Sumalaksak. Pass to Gonzales. Tuko. Wala. Rebound by. Nakuha ni Sabate. Sabate. Foul. Ruslan. Junior. Penalty. Kisi Paul Junior. Out na. Graduate na nga. Tan. Good try. Remaining time 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Second free throw. Wala yapon. Rebound by Tuko. Tuko nagbabalay Tuko. Tuko sumasak. Block by Lester. Remaining time 2 minutes and 36 seconds.
Ito, pwede pa kadinggoy.
Tuko na ito sa Edison Cup. Basket foul. Odo. Foul. Monta. Second personal foul. 15 foul. Score 42-38. Pabor na sa team Tapurok. Remaining time 2 minutes and 34 seconds. Basket count 43-38. Hindi na daw. Sabate. Dribble 2 seconds to shoot. Sabate. Pass to Takyo. Takyo, sumalaksak pass to Guillermo Punto. Wala, rebound by Intoy. Pass to Pastor Gonzales. Gonzales. Ito pasahan Pastor Tayo. 15 seconds to shoot. 15 seconds to shoot. Pastor O. Wala. Rebound by Jambo. Bola sa ating basay-basay. Ruben Saro. Remaining time 2 minutes and 3 seconds. 2 minutes and 3 seconds. Mota. Rodri. Wala. Last 2 minutes. Bisay. Wala naman Ruben Baltoko. Pastor Ito. Minus yung shot na. Pastor Gonzales. 15 seconds to shoot. Pastor Tupo. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Pastor Brown. Gabriela. Score 45-38. Arrows. Bola sa itong pagulot. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Welcome atong Teacher Wilman sa atong Islam. Iniabot na din. Daghang salamat. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Uno, puto. Pasi Carmelo. Diamond Dance. Takbo. Dito ko pasahan. Pastor Sabate. Sabate. Sabate nagbabanali. Moving to Sabate. Remaining time 1 minute and 18 seconds. Tuho. Nagbabala si Tuho. Pastor Jimbel. Tuhono. Hopi. Moving to Ono. Remaining time 1 minute and 11 seconds. Villano. Wala gabon. Rebound Jimbel. Remaining time exactly 1 minute. 15 seconds to shoot. Gonzales. Wala. Rebound na po. Last 50 seconds. Takbo. Salagsak. Good for 2. 33 seconds. 43 seconds remaining. Foul. Takbo. Remaining time 39 seconds. 30% foul. 16 foul. 39 seconds. 35 seconds. 20 seconds to shoot. Pass to Intel. Last 30 seconds. Traveling duration. Remaining time. Last 29 seconds. 29 seconds. Takbo. 25 seconds. Good three. Wala. Last 20 seconds para tayo shot clock. Sabate. Good for 2. Last 15 seconds. Triple. Go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 seconds. Wala na. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, it's time.